Okay, so to do a front post double crochet, you're going to yarn over and you're going to look for your post of the next stitch. So look for your V for your next stitch and look straight down for the post. You're going to go in before the post, go around the back of it, and come out the other side. Then you're going to yarn over and pull up that loop, and then you're going to work like a regular double crochet. Yarn over, pull through the first two, yarn over, pull through the second two. I'm going to do just a regular double crochet in this next stitch, and then we'll do another front post. And it's called a front post because our post is coming to the front of our work. It's not going to the back. So we yarn over, we insert, and we go around the back side of our post so that it comes to the front. We yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through the first two, yarn over, pull through the second two. One more time. Remember, you're going around the back of the post to bring the front of the post to the front. So we go in and around, yarn over, pull up your loop, yarn over, pull through the first two, yarn over, pull through the last two. So as a normal, that's what it's going to look like. So that is your super fast stitch refresher for front post double crochet. If you have any questions or need to see it slower, head over to my front post double crochet video and I go over much slower. But thank you for watching.